Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Clippers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2020 Nissan Qashqai ST, stock reference number 4611. The shape runs from the 6 month 2014 through to the current shape. It has an MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. MR20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. We have the left-hand fog light, left surround, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror, camera type. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light. Left tailgate garnish. It's got a tidy rear park sensor bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. We also have the parcel shelf, spare wheel and jack. Right-hand tail light. Right-hand tailgate garnish. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right-hand power door mirror with camera. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.